Tyrone had just moved into his new apartment. The smoke alarm on the ceiling chirped once. Low battery, he thought. He grabbed a chair, but when he looked up, the light on the detector wasn't blinking. That night, it chirped again. Then again. Tyrone sat up, staring at it. The alarm suddenly wailed at full volume. He scrambled to shut it off. No smoke, no fire. But when he pressed the button, a whisper hissed from the device. "Get out!" Tyrone froze. His phone lit up on the nightstand with a notification. "Fire! Detected! Bedroom!" When he turned back, the alarm's light was glowing red like an eye. Smoke began to curl from the walls. The detector shrieked, not with a beep, but with a scream. By the time neighbors came the next morning, the room was untouched. No fire, no damage. Only Tyrone's bed, empty.